Hey, what's up guys? It's your beloved host Nelly for the show Beauty and Food. So right now we're at Kampung Berang located in Malacca and we're having Putu Piring in this stall called Satu Malaysia Putu Piring. So what exactly is Putu Piring? Putu Piring is basically palm rice sugar that's steamed and they'll put some brown sugar inside, gula Malacca, and yeah, there's not much to explain here, so let's just dig in and you'll find out how great Putu Piring tastes. Okay, so here's my Putu Piring. It's really hot and it smells, well, there's no distinct smell to it actually. Alright, let me just... It's really soft. And there's a little burst of sugar inside. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? That brown thing is sugar inside. And there's just a hint of coconut. A small hint of coconut. I wouldn't say that the texture is powdery, but rather it's like pressed powder. Like you can press it in your mouth. It's a bit weird. It's a bit strange to explain this, but it's definitely good. And the thing is, because it's palm sugar, it's not too sweet. So it's just perfect. And it still serves so hot, it's so fresh, I love it. So if you guys are ever curious about how Putu Piring tastes like, make your first taste the best taste and come over here, have a try of their Putu Piring, it's amazing. And that's it for today, I'll see you next time.